again most multiple. So in this video we are going to know how can we create a animated note. What is animation in theater? Let's start our video by opening VS Code. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so hurry, please subscribe it. As you can see, we got 609. The target is 1k subscribers. 1k subscribers. So wait a second. So let's start now. So thank you for your support. So let's start. Now we will know the CSS code. What is CSS code? So we will know one by one. So be with me and learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's go. That's my HTML, that's my VS Code, and here I will create one more folder, CSS tutorial. And in this CSS tutorial there will be index.html and there will be style.css. Control B, doctile, link the file, style.css, and let's learn. As you can see, there is one div that got nothing. So first of all I will open it. So first of all, wow, anyone subscribe? You are unsubscribing me. That's not fair. So now that, as you can see, my index.html has been on. So come here in the style sheet and let's go. Div got an height of 40 pixels, width of 40 pixels, background yellow. Let's know how the animation will be work. First of all, we don't have to put animation, we have to build it and then put it. To build animation we have to write a at keyframes. Keyframes equal to the frame of the div. So here in the identifier equal to how I will identify, how I will call it. So I will name it what? A moving. And here what I will do, there are two tricks to do it. First of all, write here 2 and then you can write the curly bracket and then from. And if I write here what? The background color red, not background, no, you can write left 0. I will put it here one more thing, left 0 in position, absolute, save it, left 20 pixels and that will be 22. Come here, it looks like this. Now I will add an animation that will be go there. So what I will do, first of all I will put the animation 100, save it, and you can write an animation. First of all, write an animation and call the name moving, and how much second moving will be got for only one time. That will be only on one time and 1 second and infinite. It's look good. Now as you can see it's infinite. Now finish, only you can write moving and you can write 0.1 seconds. As you can see the speed. If I do like 50 seconds and that will be equal to 700, that will be come slowly. And if I do it only of 7 seconds. So that will be look like this. So wait a second. Come here. We can change the color to background red. Save it. As you can see, first of all that is yellow, and if that go there, that's red. We will write here in property what? Alternate. So that will be goes like this and come back 2. That will be go reverse 2 and go forward 2. So it's called alternate. Now we will write linear. Linear is a property that will be helping to have a like to be more slowly, and there is one more property that is 1 second to there will be, as you can see, it's watch stop. That use it like I will show you like animation delay. So that's called animation. So if I want to do it down to, so what I will do, left, wait, there is one more property that is 0%, and that will be I think 50%, and the 100% will be got the property of top 50, 500, and background pink. Let's see how it look like. It goes like this. Wait. It goes like this and goes, wait, background top, and there will be an property of what? Is out. Not is out. That's best height. The delay, and that's go there, and after that they will be down, that will be down, and go there and go back to the up like this. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So thank you for watching, and Allah Hafiz.